My babes, what's going down? Just walking outside to see what's going down out here, out in the bar. Well, goodness gracious, she has been cooking. So we got tuna. Tuna, and fucking monster tomahawks.
And then I got some, let's go over here.
What do we got here?
Cabbage, onion, bacon.
Come on. Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Take care of my king.
That's it. This is it. This is the treatment out here. Beautiful Baja afternoon in the outdoor kitchen area. Even got the dogs out. Oh, Jesus, look. Midas is trying to get his first piece of action.
Stop.
Look at him. No, look at him. Look at him.
He's yawning.
No, look at his hips. He was humping a second
No.
There you have it, my peeps. Just a little look into the early evening life at Andersen House in Casa de Baja. Rock and roll. Say goodbye.
Bye.